Hi everyone. In this video I will demonstrate how to create tangent arcs using ArcTangent command. I will create an arctangent to one entity, an arctangent to two entities, and an arctangent to three entities. The ArcTangent command creates arcs with a specified tangent mode. Note that there are some rules when creating arctangents. When creating a circle tangent to two curves, the radius of the circle must be greater than or equal to half the distance between the closest points on the two curves. When you want to create an arctangent between parallel lines, you should use CreateArc 3 points. I already opened the CreateArcTangent mastercam file. To open the command, from the wireframe tab, select ArcTangent. In the ArcTangent panel, in the method, if you click on it, you can see there are 7 options to create arctangents. You can create an arctangent to one entity, an arctangent to a point, an arctangent to a center line, an arctangent dynamic, arctangent to three entities or circle tangent to three entities, and the most commonly used arctangent to two entities. In the first example, I will create an arctangent to one entity. To create the arctangent to one entity, you will need to know the radius of the tangent arc as well as the point where it's going to be tangent. Arc1 entity is already selected. In the radius field, I'm going to enter 0.5, press and enter. Radius and diameter are both linked. The first thing to do is to select the circle. Then you will need to select the point where the tangent arc will be tangent. 4 options are automatically generated by the system. You need to pick the arc that you want to keep. To continue in the same command, you can select the OK and create new operation, or as usual, you could just press and enter. In the second example, I will create an arctangent to three entities. To be able to create the arctangent to three entities, you only need to select the three entities in the proper order. No radius is required, as mastercam will automatically determine the radius. From the method, I'm going to select arc three entities. And I will just select the first entity, the second, and the third one. The arc will be automatically generated. To create an arctangent to two entities, which is the most commonly used option, you will need to know the radius of the tangent arc. You need to remember that this radius must be greater than or equal to half of the distance between the closest points between the two curves. From the method, I'm going to select arc2 entities. In the radius, I will enter 1.5, press and enter to update it, and then just select the arcs in the area closest to where you expect the tangent to be. So I'm just selecting the arc here, the other arc there. Mastercam will give you all the options. You just need to select the one that you need to keep. OK to exit the command. This concludes the video on how to create tangent arcs using the ArcTangent command.